In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your camera in Slack before joining a call or meeting, so you can avoid last-minute issues, awkward delays, or realizing your camera isn't working when everyone is already waiting. This is especially helpful if you're using Slack for daily meetings, interviews, team check-ins, or client calls. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly confirm your camera is detected, enabled, and working properly inside Slack. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack on your computer and make sure you're logged into your workspace. You can do this either through the Slack desktop app or directly in your web browser. Once Slack loads and you're on the main homepage, you should see your channels, messages, and workspace layout as usual. This is where everything in Slack starts. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a menu will pop up with several options related to your account and workspace settings. From that menu, find and click on Preferences. This will open a new window or panel where Slack stores all of your personal settings. Inside the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side, such as notifications, themes, messages, and more. Scroll down and click on Audio and Video. This is the section where Slack lets you manage your microphone, speakers, and camera settings. Once you're in the Audio and Video section, look for the Camera option. Here, Slack will display the camera that is currently selected on your device. If your camera permissions are already enabled, you should see a live preview from your camera right away. This preview lets you instantly confirm that your camera is working correctly. If you don't see a preview, Slack may prompt you to allow camera access. When this happens, make sure to click Allow so Slack can use your camera. If you have more than one camera connected, like a built-in webcam and an external one, you can use the drop-down menu to switch between them and choose the one you want to use. Take a moment here to confirm that the video looks clear and is coming from the correct camera. This quick check can save you a lot of trouble before joining a huddle or video call. Once you can see yourself on the screen, that means your camera is set up and ready to go in Slack. You can now close the Preferences window and confidently join your next meeting knowing everything is working properly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully checked your camera in Slack in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.